Hey guys, it's Bboy Pablo here. I'm going to show you guys how to do monkey crawl today. Might be known by some other names, but I don't know. I know it's called monkey crawl. So I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you the steps. Alright. So first thing you want to do with monkey crawl is one knee on the floor and one knee up. And first thing you want to do is just get used to this. Switching right around the other way. So this knee that's up comes down, and the knee that's down comes up. Just keep doing this. This is basically the whole move. So you go, and as you're spinning around, your hands are going to come on the floor right in front of your foot. So round, down, and then as that happens, this knee that's up goes right down to where the knee is on the floor. And you spin, and you're right back where you started. So you go like this, hands on the floor, knees replaced, spin, and you're right back where you started. Hope this tutorial helped you, and have a nice day.